Good day, Katitik. I have an Infinix Note 12 model number X670 or X70. So this is an update about how to bypass FRP of Infinix Note 12. Here is the different way. So in this part, share article, use phonics, tap phonics instead of tapping messages. So we gonna direct to browser, Phonics browser, Phoenix browser. So just close, and then in the address bar you type this command or address, email address or link website. Then go to settings, and then in the special function accessibility, use your turn on accessibility nino, and then use accessibility nino, tap Google Assistant. So it is not functioning, so just go to in digital or app management, app and management, app list, and then find the Google Play services. Here, Google Play services, and then disable app, and then clear cuts, and then for stop, and then restart, power off, and choose restart. So that's the technique, very easy and shortcut technique about bypassing Infinix Note 12, Infinix X670. So the technique is you need only to disable the Google Play services, and after disable you restart your phone, and after the start there is also a technique. You must watch this whole video in order to get or to bypass your Note 12. So need to connect Wi-Fi. Already connected Wi-Fi. You just wait for a while, maybe internet too slow, that's why it's slow browsing or loading. Don't tap, don't copy. And then as you can see, you notice checking for updates, still blinking. So use now the accessibility menu and tap accessibility. So accessibility menu again, then tap assistant, and then tap settings. Now we can now enable our Google Play services. Tap enable, use back at the top, back, and then back the top. Now wait for it. Just continue on setup until you come to the home screen. Hope this video will help you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial updates about bypassing and hard reset of Android phones. That's it. I will remove the accessibility menu now. Now the phone is already bypassed. Thank you for watching.